Want to watch your favorite movies and shows on HBO Max for free? Keep watching because I'll show you exactly how to claim your HBO Max account in just a few minutes. Imagine watching the latest HBO Max movies and series like House of the Dragon, The Last of Us, and Dune 2, all for free. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's 100% real and I'll show you how, but this is a limited time offer, so watch until the end to claim your reward. To get your HBO Max account, all you need to do is download an app from our official giveaway page. Here's how. Go to jcoupons.com. Link is in the description and pinned comment. Download and install one of the apps listed on the page. I choose to install the Norton app and begin a 30-day free trial. I will speed up the video and back again when I finish. Take a screenshot of the installed app on your phone. Submit your screenshot using the form on my website. Once you complete these steps, you'll receive your HBO Max account in your email within 24 hours. Don't just take my word for it. Here's proof from users who already got their accounts. This is a special offer and there are only a few accounts left. So make sure you claim yours before they're all gone. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and I'll help you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome deals.